All right. All right, I'm live. Y'all, welcome to another stream, and we're gonna get started. So sorry about the little late there. Studio display decided to come unplugged. I think I hit the record by accident. And then it means when the studio display comes, it means the Zoom decides to crash. So fun times, right? Oh yeah. But thank you everybody for watching. And if you're in chat, let's go ahead and get started. Before we formally get started, I want to go over a few announcements before we actually get rolling. One, thank you everybody for attending my stream yesterday. If you didn't watch that, you should, because we started doing the project. I'll talk about what we were doing in just a second. But also, you should definitely subscribe. I'm trying to get up to 900. Thank you everybody who has subscribed and liked the video, and tell your friends how awesome I am. I'm kidding. If I'm not, you don't have to tell them. But it would be awesome if you would at least spread the word about what I do. And in addition to that, I would really like it if we can try to get 10 likes on the stream today. That would be really amazing and make my day. If we do that, I will go live again tomorrow, and I'll be doing another part 3 to this stream. So that's kind of the announcement. And let me go ahead and promote this on X and Mastodon real fast. Gosh, I'm like, I only went, it only took me a little bit to go live, but let's see. All right. So we're gonna go over a few announcements. Like I said, if you're in chat, please say hello, and that way I know you're here. And then I will be able to acknowledge. Let's see. I got a few announcements to make, so I'm gonna start doing that now. Okay, there we go. So first of all, Streaming Fridays was announced today. That means every Friday I'll be going live, and it'll be during the workday. And the only exception to that is if I have meetings that I can't get out of. Otherwise, I'm going live. Um, we'll be doing AI news. We'll talk about AI stuff. We'll do coding, things like that. So that's what we're doing, and hopefully you guys like it. And like I said, if you're here in chat, say hi. And let me thank you everybody for being here. So I got a few announcements to make. Number one is that if you have not gotten ChatGPT 5 yet, check on the Windows or even like the iOS app. You could get it there. The browser, there's been some slow rollout. Number two announcement. If you have trouble with that, you can also try clearing your cache and cookies in your browser. Works for some, not for all. Another thing that you should keep in mind is that you should sorry, hold on just 1 second. Hold let me try that again. Number two, you should make sure that you don't go over the rate limits. I'll be talking about those later on. And the reason I got distracted is because I asked Pierce Boggin, who works for Microsoft, about if there's going to be free Copilot access for VS Code for GPT-5. And he liked my post. I'm hopefully he's going to respond to it. We'll see. And yeah, that is why I got a little distracted there, but I'm still trying to find out the answers about those kind of questions. And if I find them out, I will be sure to let you guys know on stream and off. If you have not followed me on X, look on the link tree. I have all of my links. Join our Discord, all of that fun stuff. That way you guys can see everything I'm up to. And if you are not on X, I'm also on Mastodon and LinkedIn as well. So all my links are in the description. So got a few announcements to make about some Cursor stuff. Cursor has free access to GPT-5 for the time being. I did not figure out how long that would be. I asked them, they did not respond. Okay. If you don't know what Cursor is, it's a AI IDE that uses VS Code under the hood, but it uses its own models and reasoning engine. Okay, that's simply how I put it. If you do not have Cursor, Windsurf is another alternative that has free GPT-5 access for the time being. Again, not sure how long. If you only have GitHub Copilot, you will need to use your premium request for the time being. Welcome to the chat, SNC. Welcome to the channel. Again, thank you for being here. We're doing some live coding and I'm doing some announcements at the moment. We're gonna get into some coding in just a second. What is going on? My phone is like blowing up. Anyway, let's see. I'm looking. Oh, I guess that's really random. Okay. So, welcome to the channel. Like I said, I'm a blind YouTuber and I try to help people to learn about AI and coding and what it's like to live with a disability. I'm also neurodivergent, so if you find this content interesting, go ahead and subscribe and like and keep watching. Okay, another announcement, like I said, hot off the press here, is that there was an episode of it's called Let's Cook. It's a show that Pierce Boggin and James Montemagno do on Fridays and the VS Code YouTube channel. Watch that because that gives some good insight to what they're up to at the VS Code land. So watch that. Let me go ahead and put that in chat so you guys can find it. Let's see here. Another thing is that we are potentially going to make the Beyond the Gallery repo public. I'll talk about that in a minute about what that all means. I don't want to play it. I just want to. I'll watch this later. So you guys, I'm most active on X. I just got to chat about that. And oh dear. All right, let me send this something up on my chat. All right, here we go. All right. There we go. All right, there is the chat. You guys are able to see the link. Watch that, please. And then there was also a new VS Code out yesterday. So that has a lot of fixes. I'm probably going to be talking about that in one of my later streams because I haven't looked at that fully myself, but there are some accessibility improvements in that. So that's really amazing to find out. Yeah, so any questions about all of this stuff that I just talked about? And I will talk about what we're doing today in just a second after I go over some announcements. I expect this to be a multi-long hour event, so if you have to leave, don't be worried about it. I just do these live coding streams to help promote and to help show off what I'm working on. Speaking of what I'm working on, do you want to learn how to make apps? And you want to make them accessible, but you also want to learn to make apps with AI, and you want to learn to how to use the most recent technology available for making apps. Did you know that we have a Swift UI course coming out on September 25th? It's a group course every Thursday night, 24 weeks, and you'll learn everything you need to know to make an iOS app. Well, that's coming out. And you can go ahead and join. I'll be putting the link in the chat. It's fully free. And we are going to be having this again. It's through Techopolis Online Solutions, is where I work. And we try to help people get into technology, and we also create apps and other products. So you guys should definitely check out the Swift UI class. I'm going to be helping to teach it. So if you don't get enough of me already, well, maybe you will then. But either way, I'm going to be helping to teach Swift UI basics. So let me go ahead and put the link in chat. Sorry, not Swift UI basics, Apple app development. You guys should definitely check it out. It's through Google Classroom, and it's a really accessible platform. Um, so yeah, let's see. I'm getting the link real quick. Um, all right, so I'm gonna be putting the link in the chat. You guys should definitely join. I'm excited about it. It's gonna start September 25th. All right, so definitely join that. All right, I'm gonna be putting that in the chat. So there you go. There's the link to this class. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show off what we're doing so far. Before I do that, I think I have a hot breaking news from Pierce from Microsoft. Maybe, potentially. Okay, hold on, let me look. Okay, I did not get a reply, I just got a like. Well, that's unfortunate. But, yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So, your question is, what are we doing today? Well, that's a good question. So, what we're doing is we're making a Django application. It's called Beyond the Gallery Web. And Beyond the Gallery is a place where you can share Apple shortcuts that you may not find anywhere else. And the cool thing about it is that we make sure all of our shortcuts are free, they're clean, we're not going to accept malware, jailbreaks, right? Every shortcut goes through rigorous review by our team. And the other thing about this is that we have an app, Beyond the Gallery is in the App Store, and we're making a huge web version that can be better. It has like whole reviews and forums and things like that. So you guys should definitely take a look at it. I'm going to go ahead and put the link in the description. It's also already in the description though, so you guys can find it there, but I will put it in chat. So beyondthegallery.app, you should make an account, submit a shortcut, look at all the shortcuts we have, and let's try to make a more vibrant community through Beyond the Gallery. But we're going to be making the web version today. We've been doing this for a little while. I've been working on it probably for about a month or so, ever since July 3rd or so. But we're getting pretty close to production, but yet we have a lot more things to do. So that's why I'm going to try to share with you guys the rest of this development journey. For context, we're using Heroku, Postgres for now. We might be switching to Firebase. I'll explain that later. And we're going to be using Django, as I was stating before. So let's see, Beyond the Gallery. So you're Beyond the Gallery, and what you can do to submit a shortcut is you literally type in the iCloud URL and it will pull all the details. And I made that engine myself. So that's going to be in the new version as well. So that is what we're doing, and all the announcements are out of the way. So let's go ahead and get back started with this. Before that, let me share my screen and the PSA for everybody watching. As you know, I am blind, or you may not know. And with that being said, I use a screen reader, and a screen reader helps me to be able to read things on screen. Well, some of my audience is also blind, and so I do share my speech out loud. What that means for you is that if you are going to chat, if you don't want it to be read by the entire world, because I use TTS, you might want to hold it for later, okay? Just, that's just a PSA courtesy notice for everybody. All right, so let's go ahead and get this party started. All right, let's see if we can do this. Hopefully I don't have any audio issues today, but we'll see. All right. Now, oops, I forgot to share my screen. Whoops. All right, so
Zoom share toolbar parallels desktop. Parallels off. Num voiceover off.
I think I'm using voiceover
Start
on my Mac with
Day 2.
Parallels.
Building beyond the gallery web live with GPT5 and cursor use. Num lock off. Started streaming. Free watching now.
All right.
Restream chat Google Chrome row 1 beyond the gallery. A community for sharing shortcuts from beyond
So
the gallery.
let's share what we have so far, shall we?
Day 2. Restream chat Google test bullet forums Google Chrome column 3 of test bullet forum.
So we were working on forums and we want nested replies. So basically we want to have the topic and then posts under that and then replies for each post. Okay, so it's almost like what Applevis or others do. So I worked on this a little bit off camera. I didn't want to do a whole lot, but I wanted to at least get some of those done. So I'm going to refresh the page because I actually cursor made changes and I don't even know what it did.
Locale list.
So I was doing something else.
Operational error. Banner exception value. Row 5 column 2. No.
We got an error.
Day 2. Building beyond restream chat Google Chrome column 3 of 11. Setup review system. Beyond the gallery. Forums Apple Google Chrome row C. Windows system 32 cmd.x. Star Microsoft Windows version 10.
Let me get rid of some of these
Operational. Main landmark switch
here.
to Day 2. Building beyond the restream chat Google Chrome column 3 of 10. Setup review system. Beyond the gallery. Forums Apple Google Chrome row 2
I
column
don't
1.
need the Applevis. I use Applevis as a reference for the
Day 2.
AI.
Building beyond restream chat Google Chrome. Setup review system. Beyond C. Windows system 32 C.
Okay, so what this means, it's a reverse match operation error.
Mac home documents.
I gotta migrate, so I'm gonna do Python
PYTAON space
manage.py
manage.py space
make
MAKE
migration.
MIGRAIOS.
That will put the migrations and make them, and then we'll apply them in a second.
Migrations for forums. Forums migrations 0006 post title.py plus add field title to post. C.
Okay, so we added post title. Now we're gonna do Python
PYTAON space
manage.py
manage.py space
migrate.
MIGRATE.
That will apply the migration and throw it in the database.
Operations to perform. Apply all migrations.
Okay, now we're gonna run the server.
C Mac S.
Python manage.py run server. So you guys are kind of learning some Django. This is not a full tutorial, but you're learning a little bit. And if I need to slow down my speech, please let me know. Or if you don't want my speech for some reason, then let me know and I can stop sharing sound. I want you guys to be comfortable.
Watching for file changes.
Okay, so we're running again.
Operational error /forums.
I'm gonna refresh the page.
Look 8,000. Test bullet forums. Link skip banner landmark main navigation landmark visited link beyond the gallery go to homepage.
So here's test. Beyond the gallery go to homepage. I'm gonna press H for H1.
Main landmark test heading level 1. Link plus new post.
Ooh, plus new post. I don't like that. Remember, I don't like icons, right? So it says a plus button. We want to hide that with screen readers, so I'll have AI fix that in a minute. Let me go down arrow.
Table with 2 rows and 4 columns. Row 1 column 1 post. Column 2 reply. Column 3 last post. Column 4 author. Row 2 post. Column 1 link. Untitled.
Oh, untitled.
Test. Link reply. Test. Link view thread. Replies column 2 0. Last post column 3. Author column 4 parent. Out of table content info landmark heading level 2 beyond the gallery.
All right, so let's
main
do
last
this
reply
again.
Post link reply. Test. Link untitled row 1 column 4 author. Row 2 post.
Click untitled.
Visited. Test. Link reply. Visited link view thread. Replies column post column.
Okay, I can do view thread as well. Oh, those
link
buttons
test. Visited row 1 column 4 column 3 column 2 column 1 out of tape heading level 1 test. Link plus new post.
Plus new post.
Reply bullet forums. Main landmark title edit post title.
Post
main
title.
landmark TEST. Content edit required multi-line write your reply blank.
Write your reply. Ooh, I better fix that. Say please.
PLEASE post reply button. Test bullet forums. Row last post column 3. Replies column 2 0. Post column 1 link reply. Test. Visited link. Untitled row 1 column 4 off column 3 last post. Column 1 out of table link view reply table with 3 rows and 4 columns row column row 2 post column 1 visited link. Untitled. Test. Link reply visited link reply last post column 3. Author column 4 parent. Row 3 post column 1 visited link test. Please work. Link reply. Visited link view thread. Replies column 2 0. Last post column 3. Author column 4 parent. Out of table content info landmark heading level.
Okay. So this is fine.
Day 2.
Not great.
Test bullet forums Google Chrome row 1. Restream chat Google Chrome row 2. Setup review system.py beyond figure cursor.
So
Setup review system.py beyond field 2.
Okay. So I'm gonna say
multi-line.
this
edit mode H,
is
space
fine.
FINE space
However,
HOEVE space I space AN space O space MAESM space CHNGS colon space I space WAN space AV space space PLU space ICN space HIDN space FR space SCREN REAERS dot space NEX space IWAN space O space AV space T space S I
is
space P
blank.
L A N space S
So
O
we
W
need
N
to
E space M K
make
space
this
H F L
full
space E T E
featured.
space A S
Also,
space
if
F space T E
there
space
is
I N
in
space E N O
Django
space A
a
space F O R M
forums
space P A
package,
C K A space I
I
space M
am
space O P N
open
space O
to
T A
that.
T space P
Please
L A S space S
search
E A R space
the
E
web.
T.
Okay, so that's what we're going to do. Then we're going to wait for cursor to keep working.
Out clickable. Clickable stop CTRL plus shift plus.
Well, cursor's working. If you guys have any chat messages, this is a great time to do it. And like I said, we're just doing some live coding. It's really informal. And like I said, I'm going to probably take breaks every hour just to make sure that I don't get too tired so I can go as long as I need to. And that is what we're going to do. Let's keep going up.
Clip 8 files. Clickable properties for best practices.
Sorry about the audio. I think what Michael told me was it's a sync issue with a
R.
studio display. So it's kind of a weird problem I'm still trying to figure out. I like my studio display, but with Windows, it can be a little hairy. So I don't know. It's kind of interesting.
Clickable.
Oh dear, it's getting really bad. This is not good.
Clickable read tour. Also, if there is Django forums package I am open to that. Please search the web.
Let me restart NVIDIA. I'm having a huge problem, and like I said, I think it's a sync issue with NVDA, but I don't want to waste my time on this. I want to keep coding. NVDA.
Search window. Day 2. Building beyond the gallery web.
Oh, yeah, it's really slow. Yikes. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna restart my NVDA and get rid of some things. So, all right, here we go.
Day 2. Building beyond the gallery web live with GPT5 and cursor. Search
I think
window.
part of this is a studio display. It's like acting slow. All right, it's working. Come on. All right. Well, cursor's working anyway. I think cursor's taking up a lot of CPU because it's opening all files individually. All right, let me stop sharing the screen just 1 second so I can diagnose. Like I said, this is not part of the stream, but it just unfortunately just happened. This is not how I wanted to start off, but that's okay. We can rebound from here. I swear, I'm really not happy with Zoom at the moment. It's not great.
Taylor GitHub desktop. LNK pair Windows 11. Zoom. Us. Zoom. Us. Zoom shares global window system.
Yeah, there we go. Now NVIDIA restarted. Okay, so let's get rebounded here. I honestly think the problem is Zoom. So what I'm gonna do is thanks everybody for watching for this chaos. Welcome everybody. Um, welcome. Like I said, we just had some chaos. Honestly, I hate streaming with Zoom. I hate it, but what I have at the moment. I might have to vibe code my own this weekend. Vote in the chat who wants me to try to vibe code my own live streaming platform. Vote, yeah. Say
Zoom
yes,
share slow.
yay or nay.
Finder. Parallels desktop.
I'm leaning towards
Voiceover off.
yay because I'm getting really fed up with Zoom. Zoom's
Game.
great for meetings, not for live streams.
Clickable made with restream. Live stream on 30 click of started stream at 5 watching now.
All right, we're
See Windows
back in
system 30
action
setup
for
review
now.
system .py ancillary cursor cop test bullet forums Google Chrome row to test
Cursor is
bullet for
done. Let me
test
show you what's up.
localist 8000 localist
Refresh.
main landmark table with 3 localist colon 8000 slash forum test bullet forums
Hello.
row to last post column 3
Wait a minute. Is it done?
test bullet localist 8 forum slash test bullet forums document land row 3 post column 1 visited link test post column 1 please work link reply visited link view thread reply column 20 last post column 3
No. What's
day 2
happening?
building the see Windows system 32
All right.
cm see Windows system
No, we're not
space
doing that either. Oh.
space
Okay. Well.
see Mac home documents develop
Yeah, this is really bad.
C E C R run server E
I think Zoom and the studio display, and I could try getting rid of the studio display, but I don't want to screw up my audio. But I may have to. All right. Sorry, y'all.
land
This was happening
system check
yesterday, but it
identified no
wasn't as
issues
bad.
test bullet forums Google Chrome row 1 column 2 of 10
All right.
test look 8000 slash
What I'm gonna do.
localist colon 8000 slash forum slash topic slash 2 test slash number post 2 test bullet forums row 3 out of table content info main last post column 3 author column 4 Taylor last reply column 20 post column 1 visited link view thread link reply please work link visited link reply
I'm gonna reply and see what
reply
happens.
bullet forums main landmark title edit post title
See, this is not
see Windows
fully.
system 32 cmd.x
Hold on. What
day
did
2
cursor
build
do?
setup review system.py ancillary setup review system.py ancillary section section clickable one tap
Let's
clickable
see.
keep all clickable it file clickable 13 clickable for root if you want the last post column to be blank until there are replies I can list with one bullet layout inspiration Apple out of list with one item clickable https bullet Django forums bootstrap templates clickable https //50.org /project /Django forum
All right.
bullet Django
Let's
copy to
do.
clickable edit multi L E A S space U S space P C A space L K space I space W N space S Y S T E M space T O space A E H space O R S space double O K space
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going
out of edit
on.
clickable stop
I knew
CTRL
this
plus
was
shift
gonna
plus
be difficult, but I didn't know what
clickable
to do.
forms work
I
bullet
haven't
Django
done
forums
forms
bootstrap please
before.
use a package like bullet form clickable landing next moves
No, you're
evaluating
not
forum
gonna do
V
that. Okay.
clickable landing next moves
Actually, what I'm gonna do.
evaluating form integration I'm status to ensure it won't conflict with your existing clickable forms app if it conflicts I'll propose the least disruptive alternative and require clickable search for Django clickable planning next moves considering app conflicts
It's it won, so I'm gonna quick take a about 10-15 minute break, and I'm gonna get this resolved once and for all. I'm also gonna go get a drink, and like I said, talk amongst yourselves. I'm gonna be muted, and I'll be talking when I find out, but I want to try to get this sorted out. So I'll be taking a 10-15 minute break. I got a bad request error on cursor, so I'm not sure if cursor's down. So hold on just 1 second. Let me take a 10-15 minute break. I'll chat with y'all, and let's keep going and see if I can't fix this once and for all. Okay, let's get some chats real quick. Monty, Maria, I'm not gonna abandon YouTube, okay? What the problem is my studio display and Windows have a very bad problem together where the audio cuts out. I think it's some kind of driver issue. That's what I'm suspecting. So I'm not going to abandon it at all. What I have to do though is fix it because sometimes like it will, not work properly. So what I'm going to do, like I said, I'm taking a slight break for about 10-15 minutes anyway to get like a drink of water and things. And that way I can get ready to keep going. That way I don't have any more issues. Okay. Also, I had a problem with cursor. So don't worry about, I'm not going to abandon streaming on YouTube. I just have to fix an issue with the audio so it's not as choppy for y'all when you're listening to the code, okay? So don't worry about that. We're all good. I just got to take a 15-minute break, 10 minutes hopefully, and I'm going to chat with you guys and figure out what I find out about the studio display issue with my
Zoom share toolbar window system dialog. Parallels desk. Num log off as new window. Voiceover off. Not on MacBook speakers or num lock. Task. C Windows system first. Zoom audio fix tips row 1 column reply bullet forums Google Chrome column day 2 building beyond the gallery web live with GPT5 and cursor use day started streaming third free watching now. C Windows system first Zoom audio fix tips column 3 of 9 Zoom audio fix tip day 2 building beyond the gallery web C Windows system first reply bullet forums Google Chrome column restream chat Google Chrome column 4 setup review system.py beyond the setup review system.py beyond the gallery cursor 2 key points first clickable thought for 52 key list with one name forums so it will conflict. Out of list with one item bullet best alternative. Use a maintained forum package with a different namespace. E.G. Django Machina which ships bootstrap templates and avoids name clashes. Out of list recommended. Django Machina. List with one item bullet install. Out of list with one item bullet pip install Django Machina. Out of list with one item bullet settings.py add apps. Out of list with one item bullet MPTT. Out of list with one item bullet Machina. Out of list with one item bullet Machina.apps.forum. Out of list with one item bullet Machina.apps.forum conversation. Out of list with one item bullet Machina.apps.forum member. Machina bullet. Machina.app. Copy to clipboard. Clickable edit multi-line. T L E S space D T H space C N space I space C U S O M I Z space T space E M L T S space A C E S I L T space out of edit clickable one tap clickable stop clickable. H5 clickable planning next moves clickable it files clickable planning next moves. Planning template customization. The user is asking about customizing templates for accessibility in the Django Machina forum member. App. I need to outline steps for integrating Django packages. Discuss customization options in the template/machina/path with an example for forum member templates. Hiding icon. Integrating new dependencies. I need to propose changes for integrating a new external dependency, specifically Django Machina. And M sends to update that for consistency. I will need to get user approval to proceed. And the tool allows for terminal commands. Clickable edit multi-line. Y E I A space E space O. Show screen share preview, but image. Stop, zoom, mute my audio button. Audio, stop, video, participant, chat, stop, share, but multiple pause, annotate, show me more menu item, show me annotate, button, pause, button. Zoom, share status, zoom, you have started, zoom, lock off, as new lock off. Voiceover off. Num lock. Button more clickable, free watching now. Setup review system.py beyond figure cursor 01 column set. Out of clickable. Clickable stop C clickable. 8 files. Clickable L clickable reject and clickable esc. Skip. Clickable. Run. Setup review system.py beyond figure cursor. Clickable application blank. Blank. Application. Clickable open in terminal. Clickable stop CTRL clickable. Clickable 8 files. Clickable shift. Clickable open. Clickable. Clickable terminal free. Cursor use alt plus F1. Y. Clickable. Clickable terminal free. Cursor use alt plus F1 for terminal accessibility. Clickable open in terminal. Python M pip install Django. Clickable shift plus. Skip. Clickable 8 files. Blank. 8 files. Clickable open. Clickable terminal free. List with 17 items. Type the name of a command to run. List. E. 558 results. R. 127 result. E. Terminal select default create new terminal select default profile. 5 results. Terminal CMD command prompt. Terminal git bash C program files git bin bash dot. Blank. Blank. Clickable edit multi-line. Edit multi-line blank. P. Space. I. N. Space. K. Zoom share folder with audio. You have started screen share. Zoom. Number lock off. With normal voiceover off. Blank. Num lock off. Out. Clarifying project paths. I need to integrate Django machine into my name. Earls.py. The correct. Configuration slash settings.py. Clickable edit multi-line. Out of. Clickable adding planning to integrate machine under the community slash path. Clickable searching with Django machine installation setup install app. E. Forum member forum permissions. Clickable planning next. Clickable it files. Click. I need to integrate Django machine based on the user's prompt to space. Run pip install about the file paths. The actual configure. Then consider templates using with configuring settings for Django. The user add MP processor machine.core.context processors.metadata and the middleware. Machine.apps.forum permission.middleware.forum permission middleware. I'll also work on clickable edit multi-line. Out of edit. Clickable. Clickable readers.py. Clickable react. Clickable blank. Clickable stop seat. Clickable 8 files. Clickable plan. Clickable readers.py. Clickable planning next moves. Clickable 8 files. Clickable planning next moves. Clickable readers.py. Clickable planning next moves. Day 2. Building beyond the gallery web live with GPT5 and date button more action. Clickable for watching now. Application. Thought for 17s. I'm updating your Django settings under LS to integrate Django machine alongside your existing forums and I'll run migrations and collect static files. Clickable settings.py plus clickable. Clickable. Clickable edit multi-line. Out of edit. Clickable 1 tab. Clickable. Clickable. 10 files. Clickable analyst. Clickable reject. Clickable esc. Skip. Clickable. Run. Blank. 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 Dr. Top, you are screen, you are muted, you are muted, stop image. Audio now unmuted. Parallels desktop, Windows 11, 1. Zoom, parallels desk. Voiceover off. Day 2. Build. Desktop window. Started streaming 45 minutes ago. For watching now. C. Windows System 32 CMD.x Python manage. Setup reviews it. Reply bullet forums Google Chrome. Reply bullet. C. Windows System for blank. Day 2. Building beyond the gallery web live with GPT5 and setup review system.py beyond the gallery cursor 01 blank. App blank. Voiceover on Zoom. Audio now unmuted. Audio now unmuted.
Let me just do this. Well, I guess you couldn't hear me for a while, and hopefully you can hear me now, because clearly I'm having issues. I mean, if that's, and we have 7 people watching. You're watching all my madness, of course, right? I'm so sorry about all the craziness. I've had audio issues galore today. This is what happens when I stream with Zoom. Can you guys all hear me on stream? Let's see if I. Hmm? All right, so at least I'm coming through. Sorry about that issues, y'all. Um, can't control it, and let's continue. So, what are we doing? Well, we're building a shortcuts app. It's called Beyond the Gallery. And what it does is you can actually view and you can submit shortcuts that have been submitted by the community. And they may not be the most obvious ones right in the gallery, but that's the thing. That's why it's called Beyond the Gallery. And so Beyond the Gallery app, the link is in chat. You guys should check it out and submit some shortcuts. Why don't you? But we're making a web version that's even better than what they have now, right? So it's going to be all Django. We're using forums, things like that. So that's what we're doing. Hopefully you guys like it. So I'm working on the forums right now, if you guys don't know. So we're using a package called Machina, I think is how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh dear. Okay, hold on. Let me. Okay, I did it. Press escape or insert space, and then there we go. All right, I had to run the command. Okay, so I want admins to create. And again, if you guys are in chat, please say hi. I think we're over a lot of our issues now. So if you guys are in chat, like I said, please say hi. Let's see if I can help you in any way. And yeah, let's keep going. So we're doing some live coding with Cursor and GPT-5. So we're making sure that admins can add forums, not reviewers, not others, but admins. Yes, you can do it through the Django admin panel, but we want to have it through the actual website, right? So I can actually do it on their dashboard. That'll be a lot easier. Okay, and I'm not sure how accessible these forums are going to be, so we'll probably have to customize a lot of those. But we'll figure it out. I know I can do it. At least Cursor can, though, too. So just thinking about it. Make sure I didn't miss any chats. Um, yeah, Maria, we are working on the forums. Thanks, SNC. You can still hear me. We're working on the forums because I don't like the way they are right now. So I'm actually implementing a Django forums package that supposedly does this. We'll see how accessible it is because I don't even know if it is accessible or not. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, still working. Like I said, I don't like the forums I have right now. A lot of this stuff after this, like a lot of features are done. It's just like making sure that they work. So that's going to be the biggest part after this. Right? It's just making sure things work. All right, so it says it's already done. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh, and I'm also going to tell it to remove. This might be a bad decision, but we'll see. I just want something that's better than this. Oh, wow, it went all the way to the bottom. That's cool. All right, so it's going to update our templates to use Machina. And then, like I said, we'll have to customize all these templates to make sure that they are accessible because I have no idea how accessible they are. And that kind of scares me, but we'll figure it out. But thanks everybody for being here. And if you are not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so I can keep doing amazing things like this. Let's see how many I'm looking at X because I think I have a response to one of my questions. Okay. I'm just looking at a couple things real quick while I'm waiting for this to generate. All right. Okay, I don't have any breaking news as of yet, so let's keep watching our cursor. Okay, good. This is making migrations. Remember, make migrations meaning you're making the migrations, and then migrate meaning you're applying the migrations into the database. So those are a couple Django considerations to keep in mind. Let's see if this works now. Oh, refuse to connect. Oh dear. I don't think I ran the server. Forums, page not found. Okay. All right, so we're waiting for this to work. So this is gonna be like discourse, right? You can have categories and then okay. I hope this is worth it, otherwise this is gonna be a problem. Otherwise, this is gonna be a big problem. I think it'll work though. It's gonna be like discourse as long as I can make it accessible. You know, of course, Michael's gonna be the final judger of this, so we'll see what he thinks. All right. Let's see if this works now. So I guess slash community. Oops. Eh. Rud. Oh wow. Wee. Okay. This isn't horrible. We're gonna have to definitely spruce this up a little bit for accessibility, but this is not horrible. This is Django Machina. Not horrible. Um. Why am I getting a stupid phone? All right. So this isn't horrible. Make sure I'm still. All right. I guess I got phone calls. Bam. I thought I disabled that, but.
Zoom. You have parallels, unlock off,
All
Windows
right.
11,
So
1,
let's make
Windows,
sure
title
we're
message,
still
Zoom,
live.
as new window, tasks, setup, C, Windows system, restream chat, Google Chrome, day 2, building beyond the gallery web, day 2, button more clickable for watching now,
So we have this Machina page. It's not great. It's not horrible, but we can definitely make it.
setup review system.py beyond, clickable search for Django
It's
machine,
better
Earl
than
names
doing
forum
all
empty,
this ourselves.
clickable thought for clickable search for Jan, clickable thought for I'm adding a public slash forum slash page that lists Django machine forums in a table, clickable
Okay.
no next edit field,
So we'll see.
machine, index, Google Chrome, Taylor, blank, D-E-Y, beyond figure, beyond figure, blank, unselected, L-O-C-A-L, locale 8000, beyond the gap banner, menu item, browse shortcuts, menu item categories, menu item forums, Machina index, nav search lamp button search,
Hmm.
forums heading level 3, topics,
All right. So
setup
Machina.
review system, setup review system, no next edit field, out of edit 1 tab, clickable key ball, clickable undo, clickable key ball,
I think I'm fine with this
clickable out of edit, clickable,
thing, but I gotta make
clickable
sure
edit
it's
multi-line,
accessible.
out of edit, no next list, no
All right.
next edit field,
So
clickable, no next edit field, clickable edit multi-line, P, A, E, R, M, V, space A, L, H, E, space R, E, E, R, N, E, S, T, space, Machina heading left topics, navigation landmark visited link Machina select, copy the date, setup reviews, space I, space W, E, C, N, space N, space E, E, U, S, space Y, space B, A, S, E, space E, M, L, A, space F, O, S, T, L, S,
does it remove all Machina and use my base template?
edit, clickable, please remove all the references to Machina if we can, and use clickable, one tab, clickable, please remove all the references to clickable, planning next moves, interpreting user's request, I see the users asking to remove all references to Machina and use their base template for styles. Instead, previously we integrated Django Machina for forums under slash community slash. Now it's want to eliminate Machina's template and static directories as well as potentially its middleware. Clickable edit multi-line.
No.
Edit multi-line E. N. Space. T. A. Space. Space. N. X. Out of edit clickable one tab. Clickable. Clickable. Clickable please remove clickable. Clickable please remove all the references to Machina if we can and use my base template for styles. Blank. Clickable stopped. Clickable references in the temp. Clickable. Clickable one tab. Clickable edit multi. Out of clickable. Clickable planning next move. Clickable. Clickable. Clickable.
No, we're not gonna have audio issues. We are not having audio issues.
Clickable planning next moves. Clickable.
Hold on, let me make sure we have the right device
Finder.
selected.
Desktop. GitHub desktop. LNK. Now in shared window. Icon view collection. GitHub desktop. LNK parallel link. Zoom. Us. Zoom. Us. Zoom shared folder window. System.
Okay.
Zoom. 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 Parallel. Num lock off. Voiceover off.
You should be able to hear me
Clickable
now.
one. Clickable. Click. Clickable edit multi-line. Num lock off. Num lock out of edit. Clickable. 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 Apply in those list with one item bullet. Removing deep link anchors to machine posts. Leaving out of list with one item bullet. Replacing machine links with neutral content or local placeholder. Out of list. I remove Django machine URL references from the forums index template.
All right, so
List. See. List item. Day 2. Machina. Index. Google Chrome. Look. 8,000. Localist. Machina. Index. Visited link. Machina. Search landmark. Search buttons. Link advanced. Breadcrumb navigation. Out of list. Link subscriptions.
like I said, we have a lot of work to do to make this accessible. But I think we could do it. I just really think we do. We just have to spend some time nurturing it a
Day
little
2.
bit.
Building beyond the gallery. Day 2. Button more clickable for watching now.
But I think we could do it.
CC. Windows System 30. Setup review system. Tie beyond the gallery.
Potentially.
Cursor column 4. List with one item bullet. Out of list. List with one item bullet. Removing deep link anchors to out of list. Clickable. 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 List with
Potentially.
one clickable template slash forum slash bullet updated. Click no next edit field.
All right, so it said it did it. We'll see.
C. Windows. Setup reviews. Day 2. Building beyond the Machina. Index. Google Chrome. Locale 8000 community slash. Localist colon 8000 slash. Breadcrumb out of list navigation. Search landmark button search. Visited link Machina. Search landmark. Search visited link Machina. Machina select.
It's a
Copy the.
Machina.
C. Win.
So.
Setup review system. Tie beyond.
Good grief. Ah, phone calls. Don't you love
Setup
them?
reviews. Clickable. Edit multi. Num lock off. Num lock off. Edit mode out of edit. Clickable. Error. Main. Clickable editor. Content editor as autocomplete multi-line type. Click no next edit.
All right.
Edit multi-line blank. P L A space O N space E space I N D X T M P A E space E M V space W O R D space S space machine blank space A space S space B A S E T M P T space N T A space O I space O N S A T.
Sure, I don't know if I could do this, but I'm gonna try.
Clickable stop CTR clickable one file clickable planning next moves clickable one file clickable consistent clickable
So I'm gonna try to use the same base template.
clickable planning clickable one file
No, we're not doing bad audio.
clickable planning next moves clickable one file clickable machine and remove. Just focus on the index template now. I will quickly check to confirm that there are no mentions of. List with one item bullet. The index template already uses clickable base.html and has no machine text. Out of list with one item bullet. I also remove out of list if you still see machine on that page. It's coming from
It's caching.
C. Windows System. Machina. Index. Google Chrome. Locale 8000 community slash. Slash. F. Forum slash selected. Forum slash unselected.
Aha.
For banner link. Skip the main content. Banner menu bar. Menu item. Out of menu button. Collapse user account. Out of list main landmark heading level 1 forums. No forums yet. Content info landmark heading level 2 beyond the gallery.
That's better. So, no forums yet. All right, step 1 complete. Woo woo. No forums. All right, so that means I gotta add the forums, shall I? Right now, let's do it. So before I do that, let me go ahead and commit my changes so I don't lose what I
Setup
have.
review system. C. Windows System 32. C.
Seems
Windows.
like a pretty good
C. Mac
spot
home
we're
document.
at.
I. T. A. D. Space dot. Warning in the working. I. Space O. M. I. T. Space dash. M. Space. Quote. P. A. R. T. 1. Space U. F. I. F. Space P. A. C. K. A. T. Space O. Space. F. O. U. R. S. Space S. E. E. M. S. Space T. O. K. Space double E. L. Quote. Feature slash forms 56 G. I. T. Space E. U. H. Fatal. The current branch feature slash forms has no upstream branch. To push the current
Let me
forms Google
pull
Chrome with
this branch real quick.
application. Type the name P. U. B. For result. Git publish branch. Recently. Click the remote to publish the Heroku HT origin HTTPS slash. Clickable. Clickable. C. Windows System. C. H. S. Fatal. The current branch feature
Dang
slash
it.
forms has no upstream branch. To push the current branch and set the remote as upstream, use git push set upstream origin feature slash forms. To add this
All right,
100,
let me see if I can.
run
I'm gonna
dialog blank.
copy this and add
Notepa.
and
Text
do this
unavailable
real quick
desktop
to get
list.
this done.
Text edit blank. C Mac blank blank. Spelling error to add this blank. Spelling error git put S. Forms out of spelling error feature origin upstream dash set
Get
space dash space push git space G git push set upstream or
all right. Get set push setup
C window
stream
git push set up
origin whatever.
fatal feature slash forms cannot be
Oh
resolved to
dear.
branch. C Mac home documents
What?
developer Python beyond
Fine.
figure greater git push setup S space fatal feature slash forms cannot be
Okay.
resolved to branch. G I T space P U H
Um.
fatal the current branch feature slash forms has no upstream branch. To push the
Well,
star
that's not
Microsoft
good.
Windows version 10.0.
All right.
Notepad dialog
He
don't
just
C
then.
set up review system.py beyond figure cursor two problems in this file application blank.
I'm just gonna.
Type the name of a command to run P H for git push recently used one clickable. Clickable one tab. Clickable. 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 25 clickable. 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 Clickable setting template slash stat. If you still see machine on that page, it's coming from global settings. I can remove machinist.
Wow, that did not work. Okay. Well. Um. Okay. Let's see.
Set up review system. Template clickable. 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 Clickable edit multi-line. Out of edit plan. Sir. Clickable. GP. Clickable. Clickable. You used clickable button remote. Clickable. You used 29% of your overall usage limit.
Okay, so this usage limit keeps coming up. It's like you use 29% of your usage limit. I used that yesterday. So is it just not updating or is there something wrong with it? Cursor, please answer my questions online. Like maybe I'm not that popular, but like what's going on? I might have to email them. I'll probably do that today.
Clickable button agents. Clickable button
I
beyond
don't
figure. Clickable button
know.
beyond figure. Git synchronize changes. Clickable button beyond figure. Git feature slash forms. Check out branch E Y O.
Um,
Git dash feature slash forms E F E A T U R E slash O U R M S comma space dash git beyond figure.
I don't know what's going on.
C Windows System
Did
32
you
CFGI
get status?
TSTATUS on branch feature slash forms. Nothing to commit. Working tree clean. C Mac home
Good, it
documents
did
developer
push it to the branch.
application button beyond figure. Git feature slash
Amazing.
forms. Check out branch slash tag.
All right.
Clickable edit multi line. Edit
Now, I need to add some forms, right?
forms Google
Let's
Chrome.
do
Link
that.
skip to main banner menu item categories. Menu item forums. Menu item submit shortcut. Menu item my favorites. Out of menu bar list with two items. Button collapse notification. Button collapse user account menu.
User
Expanded.
account.
List with 7 items. Visited link my profile. Visited link dashboard. Link review shortcut. Link audit log. Visited link account settings. Separator. Button sign out. Separate. Visited link link. Visited link dashboard. Visited link dashboard. Forums
Dashboard.
document unknown. Localist. Heading level 1. This site can't be
Uh-oh.
reached.
Oh
Set up review
yeah, I
system. C Windows
forgot
System 32.
to
C Windows System. C Mac Home S. C H
server.
C S M C H S. Over quote L C dot
I should have
C
had
R.
another terminal going, but I didn't think
Local.
about that.
Local
Besides,
8000. Localist. Dashboard beyond banner menu bar menu item browse main quick actions heading left submit new shortcut heading level 3 quick actions heading level share your latest iOS shortcut my favorite review dashboard 0 heading level 3 0 heading level shortcuts needing recent activity heading the content info landmark beyond the gallery heading level
I
2
don't see where to
C
add
Windows System
forms. Not cool.
set up review system dot py no next edit field out of one tab clickable edit multi O space E space A D I space S E E S S I E space N T space double E B S I E T A C space O space A space I space D A SHBOAR space I K space EHR space EARE space LI space AUI space LOGCNW space I space IS pi minus 3 manage dot pi out of edit clickable one clickable can we fix this
There we go. Let's see if we can do it.
clickable thought for fours clickable group dashboard slash dot clickable reading clickable group dashboard slash dot star name equals in templates clickable reading clickable clickable reading clickable group dashboard slash clickable reading E
So you guys are really awesome. Like I said, if you're in chat, you guys are quiet. Let's get some chat going. Let's get some things going over here, right? All right. Let's see if I can get this working. Let's see if I can.
Clickable react.h clickable thought for 19 clickable base.html clickable clickable no next and no next out of it clickable keep clickable undo clickable 20 clickable templates if you also want the dashboard tile slash card on the main dashboard page I can add it to templates slash dashboard slash overview.html clickable edit
Yeah.
multi A D space H T P A E
I'm like, yeah, add that, please. Why don't you? Let's do that. Yeah.
pane C dashboard beyond out of button out of main landmark
Like I said, after
out of
this
button
point,
the heading level 2 beyond the gallery
there's just a few like
out of button
tune-up
out of main
things I gotta do.
dashboard look at 8000 slash
But otherwise,
dashboard beyond the link view our GitHub repository.
hey, you're
Beyond
not
main
gonna
land
do
recent
that, are
activity
you?
shortcuts needing review 0 heading level 0 review that my favorite my shortcuts heading submit new quick actions heading level welcome back Taylor no previous heading manage 4 manage heading banner button collapse notifications menu you have 0 and red
No,
notifications
no bad audio. Well, you're not do that.
button collapse user account menu for Taylor
There we go.
expanded list with 8 items visited link my profile visited link dashboard link review shortcut link audit log link manage forums visited link manage forum
Manage forums.
dashboard beyond the gallery document
Hey,
manage
no.
forum link skip to main banner landmark main navigation landmark visited link beyond the gallery go to homepage
All right, there we go. Now you
main landmark manage forum heading level 2 create forum name heading level 1 manage forums heading name edit required forum name
name. I'm just gonna say getting
E I R E
getting
D
started.
getting started description edit multi-line optional description blank type combo box collapse required invalid entry default forum category forum link forum parent combo box collapsed create button
Fancy.
manage forums mainland combo type combo parent combo button heading level 2 existing forums list with one item getting started default out of list content info landmark main out of list heading list with one item getting started default forum
Fancy. I can. Wow. I can like create linked forms, default forms, category forms. Fancy. Wow, that's cool. All right, so
out of list
let's
link
go
skip the main
back to the
banner
forms.
menu item categories menu item forums
Figure out what other work we
forums
need
banner
done.
main landmark forums head table with column 2 topics column 3 posts column 4 last act row 2 forum column 1 getting started topics column 2 0 post column 3 0 last activity column 4 out of table content info
I
landmark main
like
post
it.
last activity column 4 m dash
I like it. I like it a lot. We're getting somewhere, folks. So, what we need to do now is we need to keep going and let's
C Windows
see,
system
let's see, let's
set up review
see.
system .py beyond set out of a clickable edit multi-line out of one tab clickable key ball
Keep.
clickable edit multi-line no next edit
Now,
field
let's do
edit
another thing.
multi-line
Let's
blank
say,
O K
okay,
A space
I
I space
like
L I E
this.
H I space E C
Each
space F O U
forum
M space M U
must
S space B
be a
space
link
L N space N space
and
E T
implement
E E N T H
that
space F U N C
functionality.
T I N A I space W R space I space C A space I T R A C T space
All right, let's see what happens now.
out of it clickable OK I like this each form must be a link and implement that functionality where I can interact
Like I said, we're getting really close. We are getting to the point where, you know, I just have to fix a few things, and forums are definitely difficult to get right. So I'm well excited, and we'll be putting everything on Mastodon. So like a new forum post, it'll say like a new forum post is up in Mastodon. So that'll be interesting.
clickable planning next clickable planning next move clickable one tab
Hey, stop doing the audio thing, will you?
clickable planning next moves clickable planning next move clarifying forum functionality clarifying forum function. I need to ensure that each forum and are specifically requested to remove these references and modify the index template. Even though taken out links, the forums list view still relies on the machine forum model. I think we need to create custom forum detail pages to display topics while utilizing our temp of machines.
All right, so you know what? I'm just gonna keep.
Pane. Forums Google Chrome window. Forums Google Chrome Taylor. Techopolis.onlab region. Toolbar. Post last activity column 4. Post column 3. Topics column 2 0. Forum column 1 getting started. Row 1. Row 2 forum.
Hey, bad audio.
Row 2 forum column. Forums Google Chrome Taylor. Techopolis.onlab region. Out of link. F. Out of link enthusiast. Follow us on Twitter. Forums Google Chrome Taylor. Techopolis.online. Read. Forums Google Chrome window. Unknown. No next list. New tab. C. New OCAL unselected. Local selected. Localist cold banner menu item out of menu bar list with two out of menu item submit short menu item my favorites out of menu bar list with two out of menu item submit shortcut menu item forums.
Here we go.
Localist heading level 1. Heading level 1 this site.
Uh-oh.
Day 2. Building C Windows System
This
32
side
CC.
can't be reached.
Blank.
What did we do wrong?
C Mac Home C E T C S N O C R E. Watching for file changes with stat reloader performing system.
I guess nothing.
Localist Google Chrome. Look 8000 slash. Localist. Forums content link join artist link view link father from new heading level main post topics column 2 forum column row 1 column row 2 forum column 1 link getting started.
Getting started. Ooh.
Value layer slash forum banner land the annotation post count conflicts with a field on the map 23 copy.
Okay.
C Windows System for
Annotation post
Day 2.
count
Building the
conflicts.
value layer.
Yucky.
Setup review system. Clickable one tab. Clickable edit multi-line.
We don't
Edit
want
multi.
that. Paste. Paste. Paste.
Out of edit clickable. Clickable stop clickable. 4 files. Clickable false. You're seeing this error because you have debug equals true in your Django settings file. Change that to.
Like I said, if anybody's still in chat, let me look.
C Windows System Restream chat Google Chrome row 2 column 1 5 of 8.
Maria Reyes. Have you gotten GPT-5 yet on your ChatGPT app or web?
Yes, I got it on my
S&C.
web.
I only get scam calls now. Maria Reyes. I got like 2 spam calls yesterday lol.
Oh my gosh.
HD
Okay,
chat.
I'm having a problem with chat.
Restream
Get
chat.
this. So it's like reading a bunch of chats at once.
Type a message.
It's
Edit
like it's delaying chat messages. Oh,
value
don't
layer slash 4.
crying out loud.
Value. Look
This
at
is
8000.
ridiculous.
Localist.
Oh my god.
Getting started.
Every time I say I want chat messages, it literally starts reading chat messages. This is creepy. What the heck is going on? Sorry, y'all, if I'm not seeing chat messages.
Setup review system. Day 2. Building beyond the gallery. Web live with GPT5 and cursor YouTube Google Chrome column 4 4 of 8.
Alright, hold on. The more and more tired I get of restreaming Zoom every single day.
Getting. The menu bar. Clickable made with clickable. Started streaming 7-3 watching now.
Alright, who wants me to build
Getting
my
started
own
bullet 4.
live streaming thing this
Out
weekend?
of menu bar link skip to
Who wants me
banner
to?
no next table. Menu out of menu bar visited link beyond the gallery go to homepage. Main landmark getting started at heading level 2 top no topics yet. Content info landmark main heading level 1 getting started. Breadcrumb navigation landmark out of heading level 2
I
topics.
like this. No topics
switching
yet,
window.
that's fine.
Restream chat Google
You
Chrome
guys
window.
want me to do that
Setup
this
review system.
weekend?
Py beyond figure cursor 2 problems in this file.
Because I will.
F yeah, clickable edit multi-line. No next embedded object. Edit. O. A. Space. N. O. Space. T. O. P. Space. L. A. Space. A. D. Space. Space. I. Space. D. T. P. Space. A. Space. G. E. Space. E. S. Space. U. L. Space. O. T. Blank. Clickable. Edit multi-line blank. Out of it. Clickable. 4 files. Clickable. OK. No top. Clickable. OK. No topics. Please add a link to add topics and get the rest of it filled out. Clickable planning next. Understanding forum enhancements. I need to implement an ad.
Alright, so let me go back to my browser. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is, like I said,
Chrome window.
it's almost 2, which you know what that means is break time. But I'm not gonna actually go away like for audio issues. I'm just gonna go get a drink, go to the bathroom. I'll be gone for like 5-10 minutes. Don't go away. Please don't go away. Okay? But I'll be back and yeah, like I said, I gotta go to the bathroom, get a drink, tell your friends that I'm here, and I'll be back. I'll stay muted so you guys can still see what's going on, but then I'll be back once I'm done to go to the bathroom.
Voiceover on Finder. Kind list view table. No selection. Zoom. Us. Doctor. Audio. Stop video sub. Stop audio sub menu. Mute my audio button. Group. Press A to unmute or hold space to temporarily unmute. Zoom. Us as new window. You are muted now. Unmute. Press CMD plus tilde to open pop-up. Zoom. Us as new window. Finder. Applications window. Parallels desktop off. Windows lock. Task switching window. Restream chat. Restream chat. Google Chrome window. Restream chat. Blank. Click up. You might 1355. You might as well. Smiley face. I think it'll 30 button. Maria Reyes. Button 30. You might as well. Smiley face. I think it'll be cool. 30 button. Maria Reyes. Okie doke. Break time. 1355 button. S&C. Button 30. Okie doke. Break time. Clickable type. ALMOS space BA space I space BESTREAMIN space LSWEEK dot. Click up graphic 1355 button. Maria Reyes. Button 30. You might as well. Smiley face. I think restream 13 almost back. I will be streaming all weekend. Day 2. New X selected. Loading. Heading level 2 to view. Heading. Clickable mainland. Mainland space HAVE space IT space WATH space M space URRENT space STREAMING space SETUP space ITH space O space H space O H space OM dot space SO space GUESS space WAAT space I space QESS space TIE space O space VIB space CODE space MY ON space SOLUTIN dot space WATC H space I space WEEK END space AS space I space AKE space T space AAPPEN dot space number VIBE list number vibe 1 of 8 CO number vibe coding Thursdays 1 of 3 number Vibico 2 of 3 number Vibic collection 3 of 3 number vibe coding space number YOUTUBE title message list number YouTube 1 of 8 num lock off main landmark voiceover off home/x Google Chrome back button Chrome button collapse post text edit as autocomplete multi-line. I have it with my current streaming setup with Zoom, so I have it space IHAD space click up nav add choose add and add click sketch tag bold ital clickable next button unavailable post button unknown alert your post heading level 2 to view clickable main landmark main space STREAM space RI space O space JDOIN space V CODIN space GIDO space GNIO W now right not blank space DOODL space CODIN space WATH space Number. G. P. T. 4. Number G. Num 5. Space. Day 2. Building the started for watching now. Day 1. Homes. Blank. Remove card preview. Click on nav. Add. Choose. Add. And add. Click on sketch tab. Bold. Add. Clickable next button. Unavailable post button. Unavailable. Day 2. Building. Set up review system. Type A on figure cursor to. Tasks. Getting started. Bullet. Getting started slash. Started slash. Localist colon 8000 slash forum slash getting start. Localist. Get. Set up review system. Type A on figure cursor to problems in this file row 1 column 4 of 8. Day 2. Task switching window. Getting started. Getting started. Link skip banner landmark main. Link skip to main landmark getting heading no topics yet. Content info landmark heading level. Getting locale 8000 forum getting started bullet forum main heading level 2 create a new subject. Edit request subject heading no top heading level 2 topic heading level 1 heading no top heading level 2 create a new topic. Voiceover on Finder application now in quick look window 1 password. List view table row 2 of GitHub desktop LNK parallels desktop zoom us audio now unmuted. Zoom share toolbar window system dialog audio stop video stop audio mute my audio button group.
All right,
Voiceover off.
y'all. I'm back. Ugh.
Num lock off.
I've
Num lock
had
off.
it, y'all. I've had it with restreaming Zoom and
Num lock off.
anyway, that's not the purpose of the
Getting started.
stream.
Link skip to main.
Long story short, I'll be streaming all weekend. So subscribe to find out the drama and adventure that I
Main
have.
landmark subject edit request. Main landmark subject
All
edit.
right, so we do have a new topic button. So I'm gonna say subject test.
T-E-S-T. Message edit required multi-line right to first post. Blank.
Message test.
T-E-S-T. Add topic button.
Topic.
Integrity error slash banner land exception type. Row 4 column 2 integrity error.
Integrity
Out of table
error.
heading left not null constraint failed. Forum conversation topic dot type.
Not
27.
null constraint failed.
Date. Restream chat. Set up review system dot type A on figure cursor. Set up review system dot. Font forms dot py. New. Clickable edit multi-line. O. Edit multi K. A. F. X. H. Space. Out of edit clickable add.
It's not working.
Clickable.
Okay.
Click. Day 2. Building beyond the gallery web live with. Day 2. Build. Task switching. Integrity error. Integrity error. 8000 slash. Look. Localist. Get back out of menu bar of it. Link skip to main content. Main landmark subject at main T-E-S-T-I-F-G. Message edit required T-E-S-T. Add topic button. Localist. Heading level 1 this site localist refused to connect. Day 2. Building setup review system dot restream chat Google C Windows system first C blank space 116
Let me try it
C
again.
C Mac
I'm
E
not sure
T
what's going on.
C S N C R E. Watching for file changes with stat reloader. Performing system checks. System check. Num. Localist Google. Look 8000 slash. Getting started bullet forums. Bannerland not supported in this document. Main landmark sub H I message H I add topic button. Integrity error slash banner exception type. Row 5 column 1 except out of table heading not null constraint failed. Forum.
Integrity error.
C Windows system 32 C. Date. List item.
All right.
Clickable OK no topic OK no clickable blank. Clickable forms clickable no next and no next out of it clickable 5 files clickable 35 clickable reviews page. Want me to add or redirect to a new topic detail page after creation instead of list with one item bullet posting a new topic. It's
I think it will work now.
Day 2. C Windows system. Integrity. Look 8000. Getting started bullet forum main landmark sub T-E-S-T. Message at T-E-S-T. Add topic button.
No.
Integrity error slash banner exception type. Row 4 column 2 and 20. Copy. C Windows system. List update. Setup review system dot. Clickable edit multi. S-E-N space I space E-O-S-T space E-dub space E-E-E-T-O-P-I-C space N-O-T-O-R-K-I-N-G space S-E-A-R-C-H-C-H double E B space A-E-P P-E-H-H-E-L-P space E space F-I-X A-I space I-N-U-E space equals space E space clickable stop clickable 5 you're seeing this F here. You're seeing this error because you have debug equals true and you're false clickable 5 blank clickable stop C clickable add cons clickable 5 clickable you're seeing this F here. ERMO and deny extreme options
All right,
no
we're
next
working
separator
on it.
not supported in this document clickable and no next edit field out of edit clickable stop clickable 5 files clickable thought for 7 clickable search in with Django clickable 5 files clickable search with Django machine topic status field choices clickable planning next moves clickable 5 files
All right, so if y'all want to chat, like I said, let me make sure I don't have any chats because I don't know if it's reading or not. So, let's see. Is it gonna read? Is it gonna read? Is it not?
C window day 2 restream chat Google Chrome row 2 column 1 5 of 8 list clickable graphic list graphic cover clickable cover button of 8 clickable graphic almost back I with 135830 almost back graphic clickable menu button no clickable type of message edit
All right, no chat so far.
C Windows system setup review system.py configure cursor 2 problems in this tasks with intent 8000 slash look 8000 forums locale list colon 8000 slash getting started bullet main subject edit require AI message AI add topic button type error slash banner column 1 exception value out of table heading post on unexpected keyword arguments message 20
Wow, now we got
copy
more issues. Awesome.
C Windows system 32 cmd.x python manage.py run server C Win 32 setup review system.py
Okay.
edit multi-line blank C Windows setup review system.py out of menu item sub main landmark clickable edit multi-line edit O A Y space N O space S A R C space O N A O space R space E Hina.core.context process out of it clickable click 5 files clickable
Wow. Okay, breaking news alert. I need to have like sounds and like breaking news, like GPT-5 rollout rate limits are double for Plus users now. That's right, they're double for Plus users. So OpenAI just put out a tweet. Let me go ahead and reboost it. I'm live on the air. This
clickable
is
thought for
really
8
cool.
clickable search with Django machine.apps.forum clickable thought for 16 clickable views.py plus 2 clickable thought for 16 H
All right, working on getting this done.
clickable views clickable click no next edit field out of it clickable and do all clickable 5 clickable 40 clickable try adding a list with one item bullet redirects back to the forum detail after creating the topic
That's fine.
C Windows system type error slash forum slash getting type it locale 8 forums locale list colon 8000 slash
We'll
getting
get this
started bullet forums
eventually.
not supported in this doc main landmarks main H message at H I add topic button getting started bullet forums main
Whoop,
land
whoop.
subject heading table post call topic column 1 by Tarrant post column 20
Yeah. It says by Taylor. Ooh, yeah, I'm getting somewhere.
topic column 1 by Tarrant hi by Tarrant post column 20 last activity column 3 out of table heading level 2 table post column 20 last activity column 3
Last activity. I should at least have a minute or a value.
blank setup review system.py on fix the error clickable edit multi-line L O V E space E A I space I space A N space L A S T space A C I V I T Y space O space A V E space L O N space A G O space A N space B Y space double A O M space A N space L S O space A space T O P I space S A O U L space B E space L I N K space out of edit clickable. 5 clickable up clickable love is I want last active clickable planning next moves modify in forum templates. I need to modify space. Author's name while making topics clickable links. We haven't created a topic detail root slash to be a link. It could link. We'll need our own view to display posts. The user wants to display links. I think we can implement relative time on the front end with our BTG local time class.
Like I said, this is getting really exciting. We're getting some forums.
Clickable use clickable love is I want last act clickable. No next edit out clickable 5 clickable 42 clickable want me to list with one item author out of list want me to add a topic detail page at slash forum slash less forum select greater slash less clickable edit multi line Y E S space E L E A E space A L O space double H double I L E space Y O U space A R E space A T space A L S O space M A K E space T E M P A T E S space F O R space A L S T A space F F O T H E R space F E A T U R E space T A E space E C C P P A C K H E E space S out of edit clickable stop click 5 file clickable yes please also while offer.
All right, so what we're doing is we're working on this Beyond the Gallery app. And I'm really excited to find out what you guys think. Like I said, if you're in chat, let me know. Let me make, I don't know what's up with my chat. I'm going to go ahead and look at my YouTube and figure out all right, I'm not gonna, hold on just 1 second. Guys, thank you. 856 subscribers. I just saw that while I was watching this. Thank you. Yes, it did, Maria. It worked. All right, I'm just gonna look at chats on my phone. Not great, but
Clickable.
can we get me to 860 by the end of the day? Can we do it?
Plus clickable.
Hey,
Clickable.
audio, stop it.
Clickable.
All right.
Getting started bullet forums Google Chrome win. Getting started 8000 slash look 8000.
Let's try this again, shall we?
Localist colon
Oh
8000
dear.
slash forum.
We got
Main
errors.
heading level 2 traceback. Heading level 2 link switch to copy and
Oh
paste.
dear.
Banner landmark heading reverse for topic detail not found. Topic detail 20.
I told you to create
See
that
Windows system.
AI.
E. Error.
Uh-oh, I just, shoot.
Lip. From Django.core. Clickable edit multi-line. Edit multi-line F-I-S space T-A-I-S space. Out of. Clickable. 6 files. Clickable false. And Django will display a standard page generated by the handler for the
So yeah,
static
you
code.
guys are amazing, all right? So,
Clickable. Clickable thought for clickable react to clickable planning next clickable 6 files. Blank. 6 clickable planning next moves. Clickable 6 files.
all right.
Clickable debug. Clickable planning next moves. Debugging URL issues. I'm working on a URL issue where the static mapping seems to be reversed. I wonder if a clickable detail.html. Clickable thought for 26s. Clickable detail.html. Clickable. 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 Clickable edit multi-line. No next edit field. Out of edit clickables. Clickable. Clickable out of list. Clickable template slash forum slash of percent earl topic detail. Percent.
Okay.
Pane. No reverse 8000 slash heading add. No reverse add. No add. Main landmark. Out of link switch. C. No. Locale 8000 slash. Locale list. Getting started. Link skip banner land menu bar menu item
Whoa.
main landmark heading left table with 3 rows column 2 posts column 3 last row 2 top post column 2 1 last activity column 3 by row 3 topic column 1 link high by parent post column 2 0 last out of subject
So it says last activity by Taylor.
heading left table with 3 rows and post column 2 0 last activity column 3 post topic link high row 2 last row by parent link high row post column 2 1 last activity column 3 by parent row 3 topic column row 2 post topic column 1 by parent row 1 column 3 last activity column 2 posts column 1 topic column 3 row 2 topic column 1 by parent post column 2 1 topic column 1 by parent row 1 column 3 last activity row 2
Hey.
topic column 1 by parent post column 2 1 last activity row 3 topic column 1 link high
Hi.
high bullet getting started banner menu bar menu item browse shortcuts no post yet heading level 1 high
No post yet. All right.
no post yet heading level 2 reply
No.
your reply editor out of edit button post reply content info land main editor out of heading no post yet breadcrumb slash visited link getting started high heading level 1 reply heading level 2 reply space selected copy to C window list item clickable edit multi-line S-E-H-N space E-U-N-D-E-R space A-C-H space O-P-I space E-A-E Y space C-S space C-R-E-A-T space N E-dub space E-O-S space N-O-T space R-E-P-L S-T-H-S space H-A-B-H reply out of it clickable 6 files clickable clickable your reply and under each topic they can create new post not reply fix this behavior reply your reply blank clickable 6 files clickable planning next moves clickable 6 files
Let's see if I can get this
clickable
working.
6 files blank 6 clickable 48 clickable behavior list with one item bullet sign and prompt says to post out of list with one item bullet button now add post out of list with one item bullet label as your post
Okay.
C Windows system setup reviews high bullet getting started Google
All
Chrome
right, let's
high
try this
locale
again.
8000 slash locale list high bullet getting started main heading level 2 new post your post edit required multi-line write your reply
Aha.
main landmark your post
No.
out of edit button add post content info land main edit required out of edit heading no post yet heading level 1 high no next radio button your post edit required H-I space add post button bullet getting started content heading left main land edit required multi out of edit heading level high parent breadcrumb navigation landmark out of list high parent breadcrumb visited link getting started current page slash out of list parent high
Wait a minute.
heading level 2 new post your post edit required multi-line right here out of edit button add post content
I
info
don't
main
like
editor out of edit heading level high parent breadcrumb navig visited slash visited link getting started
getting
getting started
started.
bullet 4 banner menu bar menu item browse shortcuts main landmark column to column 3 row 2 post column 2 1 topic column 1 by parent post last activity column 3 by parent row 3 topic column 1 by parent post column 2 1 last activity column out of table heading level 2 create a new top subject
Hold on.
C window
I don't like this.
Application. Book clickable edit multi-line. Edit
So we have
multi-line blank. T
topic.
O P I C space N F space T A T space S A O U D space B E space A E L I N K space A D space T A E N space A U T H O R space T A N space A L A S space T S A L N U M B E space O space T O S E S space A E N space L S S L A S T space A C I V I T space P L E A S space E N S U R space Y O U space A V space U N D E R space T O P I C S space T A E N space P O S T S space A R space T A B L E space L I P space O P I C S space T A E N space T A E Y space C A N star E P L space C O M E space O N space E T T S space A K E T A I S space B E T T E R.
I'm getting a little frustrated with this,
Out of it,
honestly.
clickable.
But
6
it's
files,
fine.
clickable. Ensure you have a topic name that should be a link and then author then number of posts then ensure make this clickable. Clickable planning next, clickable 6 files. Clickable planning next moves.
All right, let me make sure there's no chats. Like I said, it's kind of frustrating. No chats. All right, you guys are quiet.
Clickable make this better.
Hopefully you guys can hear me. Oh, that's stink. Let me see. Nope. Oh, good. Okay. Good.
Clickable. Clickable thought for clickable details.html clickable. 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 No next out of it clickable 65 clickable 48 clickable helper if you want last activity to show relative time text list with one item clickable template slash forum slash topic
All right, so I guess
getting started slash start getting started bullet forum main post column 3 last activity column 4 by Tarrant out of table heading level table post column author column 2 Tarrant topic column 1 row 2 last activity column post column author column 2 topic column 1 row 1
oh
column 4 last
dear.
activity subject edit required topic subject TESTING message edit required TESTING add topic button. Getting started bullet forums. Main link skip to main landmark table with 4 rows and 4 column 3 row 2 topic column 1. Author column post last act row author column 2 topic column 1. Author post column last row 4 topic column 1. Author column post last activity column 4 out of table heading level 2 create a new topic.
Okay, so we want the subject.
Pane. Blank. Application clickable edit multi-line. Edit space double A N T space A E space U B M M J U U E C T space I N space A E space F I R S T space C O L U M N space S S A K E space A T space L I K A B L E space E L E A S E. Out of edit clickable add context. Click 6 files. Clickable. You want the subject in the first column. Clickable planning next moves.
All right, let's see. It's gonna be a streaming weekend, folks, because there's a sales tax holiday for school supplies. So like, our mall's gonna be stupid busy. So unfortunately, that means that we're gonna be home most of the weekend because we don't want to really get out when everybody else is going crazy buying school supplies. So it's gonna be a crazy weekend.
Clickable. No next edit out of it. Clickable and clickable. 6 file. Clickable.
All right.
See Windows system. Getting started bullet forums Google. Get locale 8000 locale list. Getting started bullet main author column 2 Tarrant subject row 3 last act row 4 subject column 1.
Hey, no.
Author subject column 1. Task switching window running.
Oh dear.
Getting started bullet
Oh,
forums
wait a
Google Chrome
minute.
window subject edit required main land AI message editor AI add topic button. Getting started link skip to main landmark table with 5 rows and 4 column 3 column 4 last act row 2 subject column 1. Author column 2 Tarrant post column 3 1. Last activity column 4 by Tarrant row 3 subject column 1.
Shoot.
Author post column last row 4 author column 2 post last activity row 5 author column 2 subject column 1. Author post last activity column out of table heading level 2 create a new topic.
No, it's not populating the
Set up review
subject.
system.py. Yes please. Clickable edit multi-line. PLEA E space E O P U L A T E space T A E space U B M M J E C T space O S space A E space T O P I C space N A M space E L E S E space M K E T H I space O R K space S O T A A space I space A A V E space F O U R M space S S R space T A space double E B. Out of it, click 6 files. Clickable search. Please populate clickable. Please populate the subject of the topic name. Please make this work so that I have a form system. Search the web. Clickable blank. Clickable 6 5 blank. Clickable stop seat. Clickable add con. Clickable 6 5 clickable planning next moves blank. Clickable planning next moves blank. Clickable 6 files. Clickable planning next
I
moves.
could just say,
Clickable search the web. Clickable planning next moves blank. Clickable 6 files. Clickable planning next moves blank. Clickable 6 files.
I'm working on it.
Clickable search in Django. Clickable thought for 28. Clickable search in Django machine topic model field subject type status post model content field name blank. Clickable 6 files blank.
Like I told people, this is the best time to get coding done because it's free for now. Do I know what time I'm streaming this weekend? No, I have no idea. Nope, no idea. But you could watch me after work or when you're working or whatever.
Clickable stop CTRL plus shift plus. Clickable add context. Clickable. 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 Clickable views dot. Clickable. Clickable. Clickable thought for 28. Clickable search for Django. Clickable thought for clickable for clickable. Clickable views dot clickable.
Let's see, you're still working. I swear these forums are gonna kill me at some point.
Clickable. List with out of list with one item bullet if the subject is empty. It now autofills from the first 80 jars of the content. Untitled topic. Out of list with one item bullet implemented in topic create form.
All right, let's see. I think
Getting
these
started bullet
updates
form.
might be helpful.
A. Localist :8000 / forum / getting started / localist mainland out of table heading level 2 create a new link skip the main banner main landmark subject edit main land TEST message as TEST add topic button. Getting start main table with 6 rows. Out of table link skip banner mainland column 2 column row 2 author column 2 take subject column 1 author post class at row 3 author column 2 take subject column 1 row 4 row 5 row 6 author column 2 take subject column 1
Not working.
Set up review system dot sub clickable edit multi-line space U B J C T space E F E T Y space I S A H T A B L E space W A T space I S P G O I H space O N.
I'm getting a little frustrated with this, honestly, at this point.
Clickable 6 files clickable is clickable the subject is empty in the table. What is going on? Clickable 6 files. Clickable I. We should I want to make sure that we show the first post container a fallback string when needed. I think we should modify the template to use a default of untitled when the subject is empty. The default filter in Django will display this correctly for empty string. Clickable detail. Clickable. Blank. Clickable. No next edit field. Out of it clickable stops clickable 6 5 clickable. I added a template clickable. I added a template fallback so empty subjects.
All right, well, that's not gonna help.
Getting started
We
bullet
could
4.
try.
Getting 8000 localist. Getting started bullet 4. Author column 2 tailored. Subject edit topic subject. T E S T I F G. Message edit T E S T I space A G A N space add topic button. Getting started bullet link skip the main landmark table with 7 rows and column row 2 author column 2 tailored subject column 1 link untitled.
Oh, lovely.
Row 1 row 2 subject.
Okay, fine.
Getting started main landmark new post your post edit required multi-line out of edit button add post edit required multi-line main landmark T E S I N G add post button. Bullet getting started. Main table with 3 rows and 3 author column 2 tailored. Posted column 3. Author post column 1 testing. Row 2 posted column 3. Row 3 post column 1 testing.
This is a lot better than what we had. Is it where I want it to be? No.
Row author column 2 tailored. Post column 1 testing again. Row 1 column 3 posted. Column 2 column 1 out of tape visited link getting started. Slash. Visited current page slash. Visited link getting current out of list table with 3 rows and 3 out of tape visited link at current page slash.
Not to tell. Not to tell.
Setup review system. Clickable edit multi-line. P-U-T space O-E-T-A-I-F space I-N-S-U-B-M-M-J-E-C-T space B-U-T space I-T space S-A-Y space U-N-I-E space E-L-I-T-N-U U-N-T-I-T-L-E-D space I space A-N-T space Y-O-U space O-M-K-E space T-A-E-F-O-R S space S-Y-S-T-E-S space L-I-P space B-B space P-R-E-S-S space I-N space O-R-D-P-R-E-S space S space S space B-U-T space O D J G O space E A R space T A E double E space A N D space T H I N K space A R D out of it clickable 6 clickable I put some clickable I put something in subject but it says untitled I want you to be the form system like BB press in.
So we're gonna try to make it like BB Press, which is what we use on the current site. So we're gonna see how it works.
Word first but clickable planning next moves clickable 6 files.
But do you guys want to learn about our app services? And do you want to learn about how you can get an app for yourself? Visit Techopolis, Techopolis online.com/services today to find out how you can get a website. Well, you can't get a website, but how you can get an app for yourself. All right. So just wanted to make sure you guys knew about that. I'm just making sure cursor is going here. Okay. So now I think cursor is done.
Bullet getting started Google Chrome look 8000 slash bullet getting started visited link current page slash out of list tape column 2 author column 3 posted row 2 post column 1 testing again author column 2 tailored posted column 3 row 3 post column 1 testing author column 2 tailored application sit blank clickable undo all clickable 6 clickable 50% clickable sticky slash want me to add a one-time backfill for empty subjects and list with one item bullet topic detail right arrow post table out of list with one item bullet out of list bullet if you still see untitled those are older topics created before out of list with one item truly empty bullet out of list with clickable edit multi A L S O space W E N space R T space S A Y S space T O S T E D space N O space D A T E space O R space T I E space D space A E space T T E E D space L I N K S T space T space T O space T O space G G space O T space T O space E O S T space D E T A I L space A N space M A K space T A E space O U R M space M O R E space R I T C H space W I T H E M I S space S U B S C S space P R E S S space L I P space I T space S A A S space S E A R C H T H space D B.
All right.
Out of clickable.
Forms are coming along.
Six clickable also when it says clickable also when it says posted no data more rich clickable 6 files blank 6 clickable planning next moves clickable planning next moves clickable planning next moves
Stop that.
clickable planning next move implementing user fixes We need to keep our response concise but also provide a status update and implement the request. Fixes. The user mentions the posted column isn't showing date or time. Fields. If time isn't showing, the user might expect the X time ago form. Can make the time a link to the specific post. The BT implementing subscription features. I'm considering displaying the fallback date alongside the JS local time. Time since subscriptions for forums. Unsure if machine already includes clickable 6 files. Blank.
We're working on that.
Clickable planning next moves. Clickable 6 files. Clickable thought for 12s. Clickable readings mail service.py.
All right. So what we're doing is we are working on the forums. I keep working on these forums, but we're getting there. And then once we're done with these, we're gonna get some things done. I mean, the forums are literally the last part we gotta do until we have to do more, right? Until we have to do a lot more in terms of
Maria Reyes. It worked. Maria Reyes. Do you know what time you're streaming this weekend? I'll be probably working. Maria Reyes. What if you give the AI an example of how you want the table to be populated?
yeah, Maria, that's what I did with the VB press. I kept pasting the wrong thing in, so that's what the problem was. I'm sorry. Um, all right, so I'm waiting for it to work. All right, come on. I need my audio to work. I don't have any speech. Oh, this is awesome. All right, let's wait for it to work. I'm so tired already. All right.
Search box edit. Search for apps. Setting.
There it goes. I'm having so many issues. NVDA. Come on. That's why I just want to have my own system.
Look.
Because
Loading NVDA. Please wait.
I just want to have my own system.
Localist colon 8000 slash forum slash settings. Localist colon 8000. Template syntax error slash forum slash getting started slash 6. Banner invalid filter. Heading level 1 template syntax.
Oh, lovely.
Template C. Set E. Status bar. Remote button.
You know, we better start a new chat, which is what I'm about to do.
Edit multi-line blank. Edit multi-line blank. Out of edit. Clickable. Clickable one tab. Clickable. You're seeing this error. F, yeah. You're seeing this error. False and Django clickable. Clickable planning next move. Fixing Django template error.
So yeah, I'm gonna try to build my own live streaming, like a Zoom kind of thing this weekend. We'll see how it goes. But I'll probably start like tonight. Honestly, I'll probably stream like at 6 or 7. I'm not sure though. Who knows? Might start tomorrow.
Can add to clickable search files.
But
Clickable grep match. Clickable grep percent star lowest. Clickable planning next moves.
why not, right? A weekend project. I mean, I don't know. Can I get it done in a weekend? I don't know. Should I? I don't know. I don't know anyway.
Top of each right after any
Let's,
percent extends percent
alright,
tag.
let's see.
Clickable react topic detail. Clickable react tail.html. Clickable planning next. Clickable. Clickable planning next move. Clickable one tag. Clickable react topic detail. E. Clickable react tail.h. Clickable planning next moves. Clickable. Clickable one tab. Clickable. 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 Clickable edit. No next edit. Out of clickable topic is available. Clickable template slash form slash detail.html right after percent extend space dot available.
Alright. So we had an error. We had
Template
an
syntax error slash form slash
error.
getting started slash 6 slash Google Chrome window. Template syntax error slash
Alright,
form
here we
slash
go.
link skip banner landmark main navigation main landmark new your post edit required multi-line right here
My
main
post.
landmark HI add post button content info landmark main landmark edit main landmark author column 2 turned post column 1 author posted out of table heading level 2 table author posted column 3 now.
Yeah, okay. I like it.
Author post column 1 row 3 posted row 4 post row author column 2 turned post column 1 test author posted column 3 11 minutes ago author post row 2 author column 2 turned post column 1 testing again row 1 column row 2 author column 2 posted column 3 11 minutes ago.
11 minutes ago.
C Windows system 30 setup review system clickable edit multi-line N O space C A N space W E space C A N space N A C space L O O K space A T space E T W A T space T A E space P A C A A G space A A S space O space F F O F E R space F O R space F O R S A N space E M P E M E N T space I N space N Y space T E M P A T E space S E A R C H T H space W E B space O R space D O C U E N T A T I O N. Out of a clickable. 2 5 blank. Clickable 2 5 clickable. Now and clickable. Now can we look at what the package has to offer for forms and implement in my temp the web for the clickable thought for I'm going to look up the official docs for the form package you're using. Django question mark Machina 2. Identify available features, template tags, context bars, RLS, components. I'll search for installation, template tags, and integration guides. Then suggest concrete template edits. Clickable search for Django, clickable planning next moves. Searching for document. The user is asking about exploring what that is. Information. I'm going to quickly scan the code base for your features. Use built-ins. Clickable 2 5 blank. Clickable stop seat. Clickable. Click of 2 files. Clickable searching with Django
Alright, let
machine
me look
URL
at
names
the
and use
chat
reference.
again. Um, like I said, thank you everybody for watching.
Clickable thought for 8. Clickable
Let's
search for
see.
Django. Clickable planning next. Searching for documents. I need to respond to the user who wants to explore features related to the package. Likely. Django Machina for their forum templates. They've already in templates. It's important to search the web for relevant documentation on aspects like tags. I'll use for clickable. No next edit field. Out of clickable stop clickable 2 5 clickable react clickable searching with Django Machina features attachments polls moderation documentation.
So I'm gonna let it implement all the other features from the package. And then, excuse me. Wow. And then from there, we can go ahead and do.
Clickable react modals.py. Clickable react views.py. Clickable react index. Clickable thought for 7. Clickable searching website. Clickable 2 files. Blank. 2 files. Clickable thoughts. Clickable reactives.py. Clickable search for Django. Clickable reactives.py. Clickable index.it. Clickable thoughts for set. Clickable search website called clickable planning next. Exploring Machina features. The user wants to look into what the Machina package offers for install. Summarize relevant features such as like form, load tags and add capabilities such as for a clarify URL names and I need to provide accurate URL and machine words in my search results. I remember that library added as term filter while the search gave generic results. I should enhancements for can start topics. Alternatively, I could implement using Django logic from heading level 3 what Django question list with one item bullet forums topics out of list with one item bullet permissions for forum slash topic read start topic post reply out of list with one item bullet moderation lock slash unlock approve sticky slash announce types.
Okay, so I want all of that, right? I want different things.
Out of list with one item bullet extras polls attachments RSS slash atom feeds out of list docs stimuli sections. Oh,
Ooh, RSS/Atom feeds. Oh, Michael, if you're watching in the other room, I'm sure you're gonna love that. Oh yeah,
list with one item
Michael's
bullet
gonna
overview and
love
setup.
that.
Clickable Django question mark bullet overview and setup. Clickable out of list with one item bullet customizing templates out of list with one item bullet permission section out of list heading level 3 quick wins to list with one item bullet add badges for topics out of list clickable templates slash forum slash clickable Django. Clickable bulletin. Clickable templates slash forum slash detail.html inside the topic row. Clickable Django. Clickable at percent of t dot get type display per list slash stand list with one item clickable.
Michael's gonna love that.
C with
Definitely.
look 8000
I
locale list
like
bullet getting started
RSS.
mainland row 2 post column 1 testing again author column 2 tailored posted column 316 min row 3 post column 1 testing row 2 posted
There we can go
out of list
done.
menu item submit shortcut menu out of menu button out of list main slash visited link getting start slash visited link forums slash visit current page slash visited link getting started bullet menu bar menu item row main landmark table with 7 rows and column 2 column 3 column 4 last act row 2 subject author column 2 tailored post column 3 last activity column 4 5 minutes ago by tailored row 3 subject column 1 link untitled author column 2 subject column 1 link row 4 link untitled row 5 link row 6 visited link untitled row 7 link untitled edge of table link untitled author column post column 3 1 last activity column 4 37 minute by tailored out of table heading level 2 create a new topic subject edit required topic sub main landmark TESTI dub space FEATURES message editor HI space add topic button getting started bullet 4 link skip to main landmark column to column row 2 author column 2 tailor subject column 1 link untitled row 3 visited link row 5 link row 6 row 7 row 8 link untitled author column subject column bullet getting started main landmark new post your post edit required out of edit button edit required out of heading level 2 new post table with 2 your post edit required mode HI add post button bullet getting started main author post column 1 I author column 2 tailored posted column 3 now
Okay.
C window setup review system percent if out of editor out of list with one item bullet add a subtle marker next to topics you compute no next edit field out of edit 1 tag clickable 2 file clickable 12 for clickable list with one out of list with one item bullet paste a new topic and reply forms and temp out of list with one item clickable template slash bullet insert the type slash status badges in out of list bullet out of list if you want I can list with one item bullet feeds add links to out of list with one item bullet moderation controls no next heading at level 3 clickable PLE space ALL T AAT space TAA space LOOKS space AMAZING space O space IT out of it clickable
Yeah, Michael is gonna love the RSS feed support. Oh, he's gonna love it so much.
clickable after and then I'm going to update your views to add permission checks using Django question mark machinist permission handler and then update the templates to show badges and gate forms slash buttons based on the after editing I'll reopen the templates to ensure the changes render correctly clickable search in Django clickable 2 files not supported in this document clickable O L space R E I F E R edit multi-line blank out of it clickable stop clickable 2 file clickable admins have a project I need to implement permission checks for moderation controls to admins have access the project uses Django Machine for forums with I'm going to scan the code base for align clickable preparer view clickable 2 files blank
So let me see if we have any more chats. Okay.
clickable stop CTRL clickable clickable thought for 7 clickable react clickable search for Django machine get permission handler can start topics can post and topic API
All right, so we're still waiting on
Maria
this.
Reyes.
Minute.
Hey, I'm back. Did the forums work?
Maria, did the forums work? Well, kinda. They're working a little bit better, but it's still not the way I'd like them to be. I'm adding some more features though from the package.
Clickable thought arrays. Clickable search web get permission. Clickable planning next moves.
So I guess you could say, yeah,
Implementing permission
sure.
checks. I need to add permission checks so that only reviewers and admins can moderate. Previously, were requests for machine permissions for posting, batches, and dating forms. Now, ensuring moderation controls are visible only to the specified roles, and our custom moderation controls might still need implementation. We aim to add machine permission handler, including computing can moderate based on the user's role in the use. I'm updated. Clickable /use.py to compute bullet getting started. Google. Bullet getting started. Main landmark table with 3 rows and 3 columns. Row 3 posted.
Oh
Column 3
dear.
3 minutes ago. Out of
Stop. All right.
your post. Heading level 2 new
Let's
post.
see if I could do this now.
Bullet get 8,000. Look 8,000. Localist. Local. Main landmark. Heading your post. Link skip to main. Menu bar
Hey,
menu item. Main
audio.
landmark. New post. Your post. Edit required. Out of edit. Edit. Out of edit. Head. Table. Author column 2 turned. Posted column 3 4 minutes. Author column. Post. Row 2 posted column 3 42 minutes. Row 3 post column 1 high.
But I think
Pane.
it's break time. So remember, as always, I'll be back in about 10-15 minutes for my break. That way I can like get a drink and do what I need to do, and I'll be back while we'll let cursor rock and roll.
Voiceover on parallel desktop. Windows 11. Zoom. Us. Zoom. Us. Zoom shares the taskbar window. Audio now muted. Bullet getting started. Google Chrome window. Chrome legacy window. Unknown. Num lock off.
All right, y'all, I'm back. So Michael's actually trying GPT-5 in Copilot, so we'll see what he thinks about that. They just had a new update. I think they're gonna have a new stable release tomorrow or today. We'll see. I'm gonna be watching their episode later. I'm gonna be getting off here around 4 o'clock. So we'll see. All right. I got a new chat message. What is your opinion to GPT-5 so far? It's amazing. You know what? I might try it in Copilot for a while. I've been exhausting Cursor, although I will use my premium request. That's fine. I think Cursor's trying to like cut you off a little bit. So let me try it on Copilot. Um so yeah. Thank you everybody for being here. Yeah, RSS feed's really cool. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about that. All right. Let's get started again, y'all. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Probably gonna be on for another hour. And then we'll be So we're gonna be using Copilot this time. I want to switch
Zoom.
gears a little bit.
Zoom.
Because
Add
Michael's
new
telling me
window.
how great it is in Copilot.
Finder. Act space with voiceover off.
So I did say cursor in the title, but that does not mean I'll always use cursor. All right. So we're gonna do that.
Bullet getting started. Document.
Okay.
C. Windows System 32 CMD. C. Mac Home Documents. Space. C. O. D. E. Space. Dot.
Code period.
ChatGPT button 1 of 9. Left bracket. Right bracket. Visual Studio Code document. Agent.
Okay, let's use Copilot a
Application.
little bit.
Agent. Toolbar. Info. Do you want to install the recommended? Toolbar. Configure tools. Button.
Okay.
Toolbar. Set mode ask menu button.
What is going on here?
Agent check. Ask not check. Ask. Agent check. Provide instructions. Info. We would love to hear about your experience. Toolbar. Configure tools. Button. Toolbar. Set mode agent menu button. Collect. Toolbar. Configure tool.
Okay. So set model.
Agent. Chat input. Agent mode. GPT5. Chat input. Agent mode. Toolbar. Set mode agent. Pick model. CTRL plus alt plus. GPT 4.1 not check. GPT 03 mini not check. Gemini 2. GPT5. Preview. Check GPT5.
GPT-5. All right, here we go. Oh, I'm having problems. Hold on. Let me figure out how to close some things. All right, let me close this restream chat. It's not doing anything for me.
Restream chat document.
It's causing me problems.
C. Windows System. Models.py beyond Figure.
All
Visual
right, here
Studio
we
Code
go.
column 3 of 8.
So let's do it.
Model. Bullet getting started. Google Chrome window. Bullet getting started document. Set up review system.py beyond Figure. Day 2. Building beyond the gallery. Inbox 4202. Taylor
Oh,
at
here. Okay,
techopoplicine.com.
I don't want
Techopoplis.
my emails show up.
Bullet getting
All
started.
right,
Google
let me
Chrome
stop
window.
sharing my screen so I
Bullet getting
can
started document.
get
Hi.
rid of these real quick. I need to get reset up because I had to look through my
Numlock off.
emails. Uh, 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 uh.
App. Task switching window. Finder. Shared window. Zoom. Us. Zoom. Us. Zoom shares the document. Zoom shares over window system.
All right, let me get rid of some items here. Hey, da, 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 da. All right. I don't really need this open, do I? No. I can close this. I have too much open. Holy shoot. All right. Keep it short and sweet. Closing cursor 2. All right, so now let's try it this way. Okay. Whoops, 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 whoops. Here we go. Let's go again.
Zoom. 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 Parallel. Parallel. Zoom. Numlock off. Zoom window. Close. Use
You
the
have
use the
started screen share.
close. Toolbar. Pay model. CTRL.
No bad audio, please.
Chat input. Agent mode. SP. A. E. T. A. P. L. E. E. Space.
Hold on.
Blank. Use the. Close the issue. Blank. Please. Use the GitHub MCP to close the issue. Use the E.
All right, so please.
P. L. A. F. Space. L. O. K. H. Space. D. D. L. T. Y. T. S. Wording. Chat. Please look at the out of editor tool out of clickable. Please look at the forms and out of list out of clickable working clickable. Please look at the forms and clickable working blank.
All right, I'm still waiting for. I'm having issues again. But let's do a promotion. So, do you
Working.
guys want to learn?
Searching for files matching star slash forms slash
Oh,
star. Working.
maybe not.
Reading.
All right, hold on.
Sir. Clickable working. V. Search window. Read file slash C%3A slash Mac slash home slash documents slash developer slash items slash aon figure slash form
Wow,
slash forms dot.
audio, bad audio,
I.
bad audio, bad audio.
Space with zoom. Us containing window zoom workspace with parallels desktop and voiceover off.
Oh, because voiceover's on. Let's fix that. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go and then we'll do our promotion.
Loading NVDA. Please wait.
All right, so I'm still waiting for this to load.
Numlock. Models.py beyond figure visual. Models.py. Toolbar. Configure
What
tools.
is going on?
Toolbar. Configure.
Okay.
Click. Out of tool. Out of
Audio
editor.
is horrible.
Clickable button. Clickable models.py. Toolbar button add context. CTRL. Out of toolbar chat list. Button search. Clickable visited link forms.py. Button search. Clickable read. Visited. Clickable working. Out of list. Out of clickable visited link base.html. Clickable working.
Wow, it's taking a lot longer in Copilot than Cursor.
Clickable visited link base. Clickable working. Clickable visited link base.html. Clickable working. Clickable visited link. Clickable work. Out of list. Clickable toolbar button add context. CTRL plus slash. Out of tool. Clickable read. Visited link. Clickable working.
Wow, it's just like taking a lot longer.
Out of list. Clickable tool. Out of tool. Click read. Visited link base.ht. Clickable working. Clickable visit. Clickable working. Out of list. Clickable toolbar button add context. CTRL plus slash. Working. Out of toolbar chat list. Clickable with one item working. Clickable check to verify. Earls.py beyond figure Visual Studio Code pending changes from GitHub Copilot bullet modified document. Working. Working. Working.
Okay.
Working. 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 Creating file slash c% 3a slash max slash home slash document slash developer slash python slash configure slash template slash forum slash topic replies.html. Created file slash c% 3a slash max slash home slash document slash developer slash python slash configure slash template slash forum slash topic replies.html. Working. 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 I'll scan the forums app and templates to see what's implemented and what's missing so I can wire all forum features into your templates. I'll wire the project to use the custom forums app and add missing slash updated template. So forum
Oh
features
dear.
list.
All right. Audio is acting up. All right. So,
Bullet getting started. Google Chrome row 1 column 2 of 3. Bullet getting started. Google Chrome. Look at 8000 slash. Localist. Heading level 1. Heading level 1. This site can't be reached. Num. C. Windows system. Localist. C. Windows system 32 cm. C. Windows system. Dot. Space. Right bracket. Left bracket. C. R. E. Look 8000. Localist. Heading level 1. Heading level 1. This site.
the heck?
C. Windows system. C. Mac home. C. R. E. V. Watching for file changes with stat reloader. Performing system checks. Exception and thread Django main
Oh
thread.
no, I got an exception.
200. Earls.c. Windows system. Localist. Localist. No. P. D. D. A. P. E. O. F. O.
Oh
Text unavailable.
no.
Desktop list. Clock. Audacity 9 of 22. Localist Google Chrome. Earls.5 untitled notepad column 4 of.
No. Not cool.
Numlock. Local. C. Windows system 32C. Earls.5 Earls.5 E. Earls.5 untitled. Button. But out of tool. Main landmark clickable Earls.5 editor as autocomplete mode. No previous edit field. Agent.
Agent.
Chat input. Out of button clickable Earls. Toolbar button add context.
Yeah, I'm having
Working.
trouble with Copilot. I think because the Zoom thing, I'm gonna really have to figure this out. But I'm getting pretty tired, so I might have to leave soon.
Search text forget permission handler machine.apps forums list view form detail view topic detail view reply create form topic create form. Working. Working. Working.
No.
Reading file //c%3a /mac /home /document /developer /python /a unfiglery /dashboard /forms.py. Working. Searching for files matching */dashboard /templates /forums manage.html. Working. Searching for files
Alright,
matching
y'all.
/templates
I think I'm gonna get out of
/forums.
here. I'm getting pretty
Reading file
tired.
//c%3a
And that way I can
/mac
get
/home
and
/document
get ready
/developer
for tonight.
/python
Because I'll probably go live again.
unfiglery
And my
/templates
audio is just
/dashboard
getting
/forums
bad, so I think I
manage.html.
need to go figure this out. But I will
Voiceover
talk to you
reminder
guys
desktop
later.
screenshot 2020 parallel desktop Windows 11 Finder Zoom us reading